Everybody wants a piece of the stablecoin action. Why? Because it's almost literally a license to print money. According to the FT, Stripe, Revolut, and other banks and fintechs are all rushing to launch stablecoins. There are around $210 billion in stablecoins issued globally now, including Tether at $142 billion. Quote, last month, Bank of America signaled it was open to issuing its own coin, joining established payments providers such as Standard Chartered, PayPal, Revolut, and Stripe in targeting a business dominated by cryptocurrency groups Tether and Circle. Their enthusiasm has been fueled by a growing acceptance among regulators around the world that stablecoins, designed to hold a constant value of $1 per coin, could become a more accepted part of the financial system. That shift, after regulatory hostility to Meta's Libra stablecoin 6 years ago, has been given further impetus by U.S. President Donald Trump's fervent embrace of cryptocurrencies. It's about people selling shovels in the stablecoin gold rush, said Simon Taylor, co-founder of fintech consultancy 11FS, who likened it to FOMO, or fear of missing out. The other thing that's driven it is there's real volume, he said. Founders want to get a piece of it because they know they're going to get stablecoin regulation, and so it's all of those things coming together. Although stablecoins have typically been used to shift money between differing cryptocurrencies, they are growing in popularity in emerging markets as an alternative to local banks for payments, particularly in commodities, agriculture, and shipping. They are a type of private digital cash that acts as a de facto reserve of a sovereign currency, overwhelmingly U.S. dollars, and payments in digital coins allow companies and consumers to cheaply and instantly access hard currency outside the banking system. There are about $210 billion worth of stablecoins issued globally, with about $142 billion printed by El Salvador-based Tether and $57 billion by the U.S.'s Circle, branded as USDT and USDC respectively. Elon Musk's SpaceX uses them to repatriate funds from selling Starlink satellites in Argentina and Nigeria, while Scale AI offers its large workforce of overseas contractors the option of being paid in digital tokens. Transaction volumes climbed to $710 billion last month, compared with $521 billion in the same period a year ago, while the number of unique stablecoin addresses has risen to 35 million, up 50% over the same period, according to data from Visa. Large banks are growing increasingly confident, pushing into the industry as regulations emerge. U.S. politicians are debating bills in Congress that set out standards for stablecoins, giving banks, companies, and ordinary consumers more confidence to use the tokens. If they make that legal, we will go into that business, commented Brian Moynihan, chief executive of Bank of America, on the Trump administration plans at the Economic Club of Washington last month, end quote.